the top rape off the country and make the people them boy survive. You see what I say? Yeah man, anybody, as me said, this problem here stem from a long time, so it's not unique to no one set of people where did I run the country. You get what I say? Yeah, from a long time, rape off the country. So you know you have some people say, but when them people are using the power things a little better, them could have do much better too. Rape them rape off this.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Let me take you around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. And valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Tossing down Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down and the breeze blow everything off my mind. Ooh. Cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Packed in the car, real friends apart. Portmore and grill, nowhere not far. I feel grab a patty and a rest straight from the bar. Prestige donuts in a hand, when we pull up by the jelly man. Yo, I am in the
What's up, beautiful people? Here's truly 876 by birth, as I just heard in the intro. Right about now, I'm on my way. I got try heading at Kingston side. You know what I mean? Yeah. They have few little errands for run, so I make a way go there. Understand? Yeah. Yeah, so they take a time and make a way. You see me I say, yeah, me and Kimmy they are right as usual. They don't know Junior on board as well, so you don't know you might hear like a side conversation too. Yeah, I'm there with people in the vehicle, so don't feel like me I get off. You see me? Yeah man. So there is a Monday morning, you know, but school up on a little midterm break like. So let's the next one. School up on a little midterm break. So I guess this is why the traffic not so bad right now, because honestly people may expect some would have left out a little bit earlier, but you don't know. I just say it go sometime. I'm tired. Yeah. I don't know, we have young one. You see me? Attend to. But anyways, I want to get some gas because I don't know how the traffic stay over in Kingston. Gas kind of low right now. If it sure said the road is clear, more than likely could I make it go where me I go and then find a gas station afterwards. But I don't want a chance because I go there in a traffic and yeah. So I go probably about more gas. So I just grab little gas right now and then do my thing. You see me? Yeah man. Out there, people, out there in the morning. I do apologize if I clear from my son and affect the whole, or the video, the quality of the video. Yeah, my apologies. You see me? My apologies. But we have a good dash cam to still, so it's supposed to filter out some of the extra sunlight out of the lens. So yeah. But the road not bad so far over here so in a Portmore because all them stretch here so a problem in a them time of morning. Yeah. You can't there so because problem so it look good so far. So hopefully over in a Kingston side of the same agreement. Yeah. I want to look at gas in the morning. I'm not even buying enough gas because I need to bring back that car. I'm not carry back with no extra gas to return. And them rental people are not give back no extra money. More I look for things to take from it. But it look like don't get off traffic. I heard the bad road make it. Oh, road up here. Oh, the school. Yeah, the school look to carry. I know traffic never did neither. Feel like the road clear now. Yeah man. I got just keep it the same way, please. So we don't endure much traffic because we need to do them things. Because here people, we need to sort out them little things and then drop off at the car in time. I don't even want to keep the car over because I don't want an extra charge. Yeah, because rent is to run some errands and things, so yeah. Hopefully I can get to sort out my vehicle real quick and fast. I know because this renting car thing just me costly. When I could have just pay for gas. Just I buy me gas and I go on and I go. But that's how it goes still. We go. Yeah. Shan, did I work today? Looks like she's still over here. See, I can't find two random shit. Go and listen to. I make it on because then Rana go play music to and the copyrights it. I can't bother with. Only if I work that the editing. Because I'm going to have background music running in this. I don't need to put background music in this. Possibly so, yeah. I'll find her. Probably not gonna put the background music, but I just have to just turn though. I want you to run off the top when I Monday morning. I can run if I have some interesting topics in it. Go straight across the road there, people. Why the man on the pump that way? Yo, how them people stay so? Why them people turn up on the pump? Man, they turn bad. Now when you turn bad, watch the next person you come on the pump so. I just see that go around this, I say why them people turn so bad on the pump. On my right side. Yeah, the move off I pump make we get to where we are getting, man. You know if you don't know the gas station by now, we now come at turn all different angles. And then if you start facilitate the damn taxi man them when them come up. Because the taxi man them more will come with the foolishness, But you see me, come now make it come all in front of me, So, what should I start putting against it? More time of them with the foolishness come make it sitting there. Because when she come that way, they not come back around this, so you have to go, But sometimes the taxi man when them drive in, because that was a taxi man a while ago, he knows he saw the pump turn. And that's the direction of the flow of the traffic, and he still drive down because he want to get too fast. it. So hold on, let's start over so I'm careful. I run shit and I need to something. A 105 I mean. It's not the 105 at all. Watch this a man I turn all the wrong way again tonight. See it? The wrong way in turn over this up on the pump too. No, that woman are really out of it today. Shall I start pumping and really release the people in gas cap? Gas tank cover. Sorry, she gone in. She gone in. She finds that she have to tell the man to soon come. No, sir. You just go and chill here. Alright. Eh? This don't make no sense at all, bro. Don't make no sense at all. Okay, pass this up. This don't make no sense, bro. Don't make no sense. Why you turns up on the pump this morning? I don't know why you like this on the pump this morning. Good morning. Can you 1590 please? Yeah. I take a 2 bar then give me the gas pan. So I carry it back just the same. So which map of the pump that man did there? The other man driver? I didn't see him, man. No, yeah, because it wasn't a taxi. Yeah, remember if it was a taxi. Why this now move? See, we did this now. Oh. I'm frightened. Come here, so wait. Gone away up here, so this is different than the last one, so we do maybe you buy more than doing. Thank you. Yeah. But if you never even buy more than that, because it's gone way over. So yeah. Oh, to go around that part, especially like how the morning is so busy. We find random shit. But yeah, the road looks like it's supposed to free. Yeah, my people, so we are going to take our time and do the little maths go across, you know? Yeah. Big up to everybody who there where I watch. Big up to the new subscriber, them manners and respect, you know, though love goes out, you see it? Appreciate, you know. And You know, as I say, I appreciate the fact that you're over here and watch the channel. I appreciate the support, you see me? Especially the people that drop them comments and so the regular them, you don't know yourself and thing. Pick up the long time people, them, you know. Yeah, man, you know the pray. You understand? Yeah. Blessings, man, as I respect. Because the people that I watch from round at the Middle East part, around there, so. Pick up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. Carmen, bless up yourself, you understand? Yeah. Long time I see in that comment section hope all is well though still, you see? Yeah, man, I think we're around at Cyprus. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, you see me? Yeah. Manners and honors, yeah? Yeah, man, all the people that I watch from near and far, man. Sometimes I look for my analytics and I see which part I watch from and I say, yo. So big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, them with their abroad, you know? Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing by your sight. Yeah. So right about now, little traffic there or something, so we just try shampoo and cut out a little bit tight and yeah, no my God. Yeah. You know, but this morning still me not tell a line of people. The traffic a flow this morning, you know. Yeah, not bad, but we still me see what I go and see me, I'm kinda wanna reach where me I go. You know, in a short order, I don't know how the toll stay, I don't tag for a vehicle, so I have to join the long line to go pay. So all them little things I try for just escape from right now. Understand? Yeah. So that's that I pray. Come the lady, go around the lady. Mighty God, what you waiting on? Yeah, the community name, what community name again? West Bay. Yeah, West Bay, that community name. Yeah, nice community, you know, people. You get whole heap of land space and so house and big like the one them down on Edgewater. Nice. Wow, the road bad though. Yeah, so we just take it as so we go up on the back road, see me, but we just drive around and say, you did see the liquor, you know? Yeah. Liquor pile up. Some of those kind of try for it. Cut it out. But this don't get so free. See? This is nothing really impede people. But a man in time in a Portmore and the traffic steep, you have to find means and ways to get out quick and fast. Yeah. You just cut through the little scheme them. I mean sometimes it's bad you know, sometimes I see some scheme, you know. I see people that try to drive out of them yard for go to work and jam up. Yeah, them traffic jam in front of all them gate. Can't come out and I say, yo, John, what if you have all a little emergency? Oh, yeah, but if you're in a Portmore and traffic hole and them little thing there, you can take us because sometimes the traffic jam is so steep too. See me? So you just have to know for work it, you know. In the day in there, that's what I say. You know we go. Yeah, so we basically they're on the back road there now, you see me? Or I think it name put in this road officially, I think it must be there. That would depend on how I make a way up on the toll. Toll like you see me? Portmore like at the toll. Yeah. That I free right now. I try to find random shit on the radio, but for some reason the radio just not going so far. But anyway, it does not work out. Like, don't walk out and see big bus. Yeah, some people cross road at Jamaica, they must walk out in the road and they don't really wait for a vehicle to stop. They must walk out. Yeah. Why can I rush him in now? I ain't going to go against traffic. You can't try to overtake down the place. Probably I can walk on late. I was thinking the right same way though. Why you know say feel like if I told you now or something that still me I could probably try for something that tag, you know. I feel a bit unruly this morning, but I behave myself. I behave myself. I go drive down like me have tag and then go crossing at the line, you know, like try to skip 2 people, but I think I probably behave myself, yeah, man. I'm not gonna make it that. Just pray and hope say over there clear, and if line there, the cashier, them a move fast. Cause honestly, over there, alright, no look bad, look, I believe that. What? Wait, clear. Alright, you know bad people. Over there, no bad. Wait till me straight up on the see. Over there, no bad. I'm gonna tell you sometime all up here say line there, I tell you. So, one advice, I travel on them toll road and make sure you have tag, yeah? Yeah man, make sure you have tag. I'm gonna tell you where you go. First, I must see that. Okay. Yeah, when it's put off. Sister message me. Yeah. I look at him, couldn't find him money. You know we go. I can't even find my phones. Try to find this development. Good morning. Thank you. Alright people, so yeah, 360 for the 360 for the toll. 360 Jamaican dollar class 1 vehicle like regular car, like a SUV, them type of thing there. The $360. So yeah. And then from the toll, you know, in the morning, you know, speed limit from the toll, I think that road is about 80. But in the morning, them police not really out there, them want you to go. Not say every drive request, but them want you move because here what? Traffic. Yeah, them not like the traffic build up thing, so you know them can get out the people, them quick and fast, them none of that. But like, probably like when when I come back over, make a drive, so, but like when there's no traffic, like at the midday, but on Sunday, them full the road. I enforce the speed limit. Yeah, weird, right? But so it's set up. But then I really out there in the morning and evening, when there's enough people on the road. Why you drive up? Yeah, if they even out there, they not do the speed check. Why you go on where you go? You can fast. So I'm happy that the road not so bad this morning, God knows, guys. Yo, trust me. come over, my brother. What you do? You don't see no one come over. My God, the man does a drive side of me. Him not, apparently, he try come over too, you know. Yeah, people, this is the soft shoulder. I don't know what I'm up there, so honestly. But normally it's space our morning time still, and people just work it on the soft shoulder. But then if the cops them out here, you stays up on the soft shoulder, you know. Yeah, them are run out for here, them will take it for this. And I think the price for the soft shoulder thing heavy, you know. Yeah. Out here, cause them raise up some price and thing, and I think I only for big bucks. Yeah, you know you go. You want to get to where I get to still, so yeah. But don't try this at home, people. And no, don't use this video and prosecute me though, you know. Because this is not me. And I am not really driving on the soft shoulder. So like this one I see now, this is where you find from way up even when you go through the toll, when you go through the toll plaza. It's a normally the way you see happen too. You get me? Yeah. So the traffic normally I move. But as I say, thank God see I just don't say it this thing. Because trust me. And look, to my right, you have to drive that people. Be a traffic, so if you go downtown, grimy. Not to them, father. Yeah, man. Big up, cuz. Yeah, when you come at a stoplight, you can expect the windscreen wiper them. Yeah, them out here in them glory. I do the work, you know? Yeah, big up windscreen wiper them. Yeah, them out here I do the damn thing, you know? Better the youths them do this still than. You understand? Yeah, man, I had a surprise for no. So them money have responsibilities too. See me? Yeah. So better them there start angular business than do something else, you see me? Yeah, man, so big up windscreen wiper them. I think we'll catch up at top of Arbitrary Road because we go straight up Agley Park Road. So we'll catch up, sorry, up at the top of Agley Park Road, you know, the big like Arbitrary with the clock near the church there. Yeah, with the, not with the clock, but with the church there, you got some up there, some too. See me? Yeah. Alright, look at traffic there, I know people. Just match up and see which one of them lane you move faster, cause the one when we see I move faster, you know. For this we stay night. For the next one we are going there. But it's kinda funny, you know, because the right lane, when you get further up to the stoplight of a Waltham, you have a filter lane to turn right. So enough time the right lane will move faster because people are turn out tight for going at the filter lane. But then that lane you have to turn left up a Waltham, you can turn left up on the Waltham intersection. So turn from Waltham Road, you can turn left for go up on Waltham Road and reach at the intersection. So sometimes persons actually go up this or too. So it kinda sometimes it varies, you know. Yeah, it kinda varies sometimes. But honestly, the traffic is not bad this morning, people. I won't lie to you, it's really not bad. Because, yo, I'm telling you, Portmore traffic is not normal. It's not normal. A place like Portmore, you should have more lanes for road them. They never talk about the quality of the road. Because the quality of the road bad right across Jamaica. But you should have more lanes for road them. You see me? Even this road shouldn't be. They're not 2 lane I go up this and they're not 2 lane I come down. So madness. Road can't angle that. Madness. Madness, people. Madness. We should have 4 lane I go up in a half a tree and 4 lane I come down. So Ugly Park Road there should have be 8 lane. Yeah, man. That would have really get rid of the way. But you know, traffic there right across the world still. And you have some places, no matter where they can't escape the traffic. But sometimes the gridlock, if we'd have better road network in Jamaica, we wouldn't experience some of the gridlock or experience blocks at the time. You see me? Because sometimes I tell you, you're in the traffic for all an hour, 2 hours sometime, and as I say, would have better road network, better quality road, and you know, really, it would have been way better, people. Honestly, it would be. You see me? Yeah, man, it would have been. But hopefully one day Jamaica will get there still. You know? So one of them not that sure. So we have faith in our country, we have hope, we have prayed to the Almighty for a better day. Yeah. That we are saying. See me? Alright, so these are the filters what me I tell you about for the right lane. I say sometimes left lane people they might turn left to so vice versa, you know? And then you have some taxi man now with pull over down at the stoplight that's up on the left side. Sometimes they do that. So what happen now is the people when I left lane sometimes they get jammed up. Once they go across the intersection, sometimes the taxi them stop right on the light. They saw the intersection. So you get me? That took cause like a traffic jam to sometimes. Yeah, so kinda tricky that little intersection at times. Yeah, kinda tricky at times. Alright, so you see the people them stand up? That taxi are gonna come and stop right there so on the left side a while ago. Yeah. And then also the left lane taxi pick up people along the way too. And you know have like what them call it, like a little lay-by or something for the right turn right, but you know like a little pullover, call it on a lady you know. When if I try cross her taxi she look. But so she there right so if a taxi in front of me and she come, she span it down, you might just pull over and block up the traffic. You understand? That happen wholly. Them two people that don't taxi them a look more than like you. More than like them people up on the street that taxi them a look. I mean say taxi them just stop and jump up the traffic too. That happens a lot. You see me? So the road there I don't know. And this is a newly some of the road to you know people. But everything the road I catch 10-year-old yet, you know. As in the design of the road and everything. The design of the road and everything is a something of the road. You understand? Them did actually have to lick down some wall, perimeter wall them for the business place them and stuff will come out. Them claim back some land. So I guess, you know, even though the people they own it, I think you have a line at Jamaica say any land where government want, you have to give them access to it. But them not just come take it so still, you know, like badness, you know, dictatorship in the day night. they actually pay you for it. So if they want it for like public use or for a use to make the country better, whatever, I think the law say you have to give them it. Or something like so. But or they have the right to it. But when them approach you, they must even sell them it so neither, you know. You understand? If they feel like them are devaluating or really, I guess they can go to the court and then the court or whatever. Or if you probably say, oh, yo, I'm not sell it, I think the court can probably like force them. I don't know, I'm not sure. But don't quote me on this, I don't remember. I did read it one at a time, I did look it up and read it, but I don't remember exactly what it said. You understand? But like look on the people again on the left. Taxi them away on too. Right on intersection too. Right on stop like this so. You see me? So sometimes taxi you pull over this, you know. So you get a green light from cross over the road. But to the taxi stop, it make a traffic jam go straight down. Affect the intersection this or the little railway this so. So all of that. You see me? But yeah, as me I say about that road, you know, then did some parts were never wide enough because this road was like 2-lane, dual carriage. I saw them call it, I don't know if it's the right term, but I did 2-lane. One did a go up and one did a come down. You see me? That did a happen. So some parts, so them say them are widen the road and give it 4-lane. 2 go up and 2 come down, and at some points, like right this up on the right side, you have 3 when it filter out you make a turn or so. You understand? So yeah. Now, I don't think this was enough. And them did all lick down as me tell you, them taking some of the people in property. To tell you the truth, yeah, them taking some of the people in property. And but me I say, why if you are doing it, you know, just do it good and done? Like why? Because eventually we have to go redo this again. I have to go do this again because this is not really, you know, under sufficient lane them here. You understand? Yeah, under sufficient lane them here. To tell you the truth. You see me? So I don't know. You know. But hopefully one day we can get it right when it comes to infrastructure then. You see me? We're not going perfect because no one is perfect. Not even in a first world country they make not perfect. You see me I say, but hopefully we can get as close to perfection as possible. You see it? Because what I find in Jamaica is that the people them who been a lead with over the years, the decisions them we make, them lack vision, most of them. Yeah, lack vision. Because like, take for instance Portmore road just a come from. The road network of Portmore was joke thing. It is a joke thing. But because as what them said, them never expect the population of Portmore that grows so. Because Portmore is really big enough. I think they say it's the largest residential settlement or residential community in the English-speaking Caribbean. You understand? I think they say it's the largest. You understand? I think we learned something about that when we go to school or whatever. And it's still growing. It's still growing, and you still have little land space near Portmore right now. Still have little land left. I know some places when I see them put houses, you know them are going to find way to put out on them there compared to the place where I see them put out. So the community still are growing. But the road network is crap, people. Crap. Legit crap. Road network are crap, me I tell you. Yeah. Road network are crap, man. So hopefully when we have them decision here and make in the future, it better, because me I tell her it just because they spent a whole heap of money on this, doing this road and thing. Not saying it would have cost the same amount of money, you know, but the time and the effort, you know. We have to go back to that and the pain again of road work going on, more traffic for the people them have to endure again, and whole works, yo. It just, I tell you, yeah, there is go through. So yeah, you get me? That's how I see. But I'm gonna say hopefully one day we get as close to perfection as possible, you know? Yeah. Because it no good for us to keep on and the same type of thing them as a country. Not really good for you. You get what I say, yeah. You know good food. And the people them we deserve better, yo. A full time now, I think Jamaicans deserve better. Yeah, because honestly too, you know, like Jamaica nice, you know, don't get me wrong, and Jamaica I'm proud to be Jamaican. And me happy say me I'm a resident of Jamaica. Me happy say me reside in Jamaica. Like, trust me, it's nice, isn't it? But to tell you the truth, and me I speak to people who live outside of Jamaica. Because the one them who live here, they must probably say the same thing. Probably me all make it sound nice. But telling you the truth, Jamaica really nice for the people that come visit. And not tourists, me talk, but me even talk like people that are Jamaicans. People used to live here, and now they live somewhere else and they come visit it. Now, the current state of Jamaica now, the uncle nice for them people. They can come back and just spend their money because they have it. But living in Jamaica right now, it's hard. Living anywhere in the world right now is hard. Food prices is up right across the world. I know that. But let me tell you the truth. You see, you're working in our personal country, you can go buy one food. If you feel to go to a fast food restaurant, you can go. Right? If you feel to go. But I say you can go every day of the week, you know. But if one day you feel to go, you can go. In a Jamaica, working a regular 9 to 5, if you go deal with fast food thing, best believe it. It will put a strain on your pocket. Especially if you have a family, like you have a family of 4, next to say you have 2 picnic. Alright, I could say you have 1 picnic and you and your spouse, whatever. And you say you go do fast food settings. A couple thousand, and that's just 1 meal. You get me? But as I say now, fast food dear to other place, you know, when I say cheap, you know, whatever, you know. But I just have to say the affordability of you being able to afford it is in Jamaica it is very hard. Right? And I don't want nobody misunderstand. Well, I know you got the person saying you're gonna come and try to tell me this and yeah and whatever. Yeah, you're entitled to your own opinion and that's okay. But as a person living here so a yard, I'm telling you, it's difficult. You see me? And yeah, it's difficult. I'm going to repeat what I say. It's hard everywhere across the world. Nowhere not easy. Nowhere not a better rose. And now when a better rose, you have to be careful. Because if you look at the roses plant, be a maca pull it. Be a thorn. Be a maca pull the roses plant. So even when it's nice like rose, it's still a bit, yeah, obstacles them in it and things. So we know this. But when you're there outside of Jamaica in a personal country or so, and you try to live, it is affordable. Probably not Toronto right now, because Toronto out of control, but you know, you can do a thing. And you can pay your bill then. Sometimes you check people in a personal country, make you use America like we're close. Sometimes you check the people in America and they talk to them and you know what they say? Oh, I just work to pay bills are foreign, which a long time saying that are true, but in Jamaica you can't work and still can't pay no bill. You see it? But don't get me wrong, still as I tell you know, me glad to be Jamaican, glad to live in Jamaica, the whole world, like me proud. You see me? Yeah, I'm patriotic and everything when I come to my country, I'm happy. Anyway, I'm going to rep Jamaica boldly. As you can see what the channel say, 876 by birth. You see me? By birth too. The naturalization or not, so I'm proud of that. But the truth are the truth still, you see me? And hopefully one day we can live like, you know the song where I say, oh, what a nice place to live, sweet job down the only problem is money in our road. And that has been a problem from a long time in our country. So we just want it to dip on a level where people can even afford like fruit and vegetable. If you wake up this morning and feel like you want to eat some fruits, you can get it. I talk like people want to live a country where they farm them behind them something. Because if they are a country, you know, you will get fruits and vegetables to them. But then check St. Elizabeth people, what them call bread basket parish, them tell you how food and them thing they expensive down there. I don't know how that much they were, but another topic that for another time, you see me? But as me I say, yeah, the man say what a nice place to live, sweet jam down. The only problem is, you see me, dollars not run. You see me? So yeah, that's the reality. But we just hope say one day spills. That reality they become, you know? Yeah, change because Jamaica nice man. As you see when the foreigners come here, I wanna come ray as you see how you understand? I wanna feel the vibe, I wanna see how the thing set up and everything, I wanna see how it nice. So yeah, you see me? Yeah, we want people who live in Jamaica to experience that too. And feel the type of radio. But don't get me wrong, still you have people who really just go through life as them waking in the morning and just them not really I think about the other day because they can't afford stuff, so them not really make it matter. Them people are happy too, you know, people. Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you it's a sad state and with depressed boy and ray. I'm not telling you that, none of that. We are happy. That's why people love us, so you see me? So we're good. But me just I say we could be happier. You understand? Things could be way better for us. You see me, as a people. And everybody deserve that. You see me? Yeah, man. So basically, people we're in a power or leadership role in the top rape of the country and make the people them boy survive. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Anybody, as me said, this problem here stem from a long time. So it's not unique to no one set of people where they run the country. You get what I say? Yeah, from a long time, rape of the country. So you know you have some people say, but when them people are using the power, things a little better. Them could have do much better too. Rape off this. You see me? Yeah. Rape the country too from a long time too. You see me? Because remember me tell you, anything we are going, it could have way better. Just like a man we work for, we have in business. When he might give up, when they make profit and them little thing and you think of the whole life team array. And when you say, oh, things is good and you get a little small bonus, best believe say things it could have do way better to see me. So yeah man, I just say to the people who are gonna come and tell we say, oh yeah man, but them people usually do this and it do way better. Yeah man, it have a point with you, but they still could have do way better. You understand? So yeah man. So I just say, we want Jamaica for nice for everybody. Yeah, that we want. You see me? Yeah, man. But still, I'm saying now if you even agree with what I say still. So, drop your feedback in the comment section. See me, let me hear what you say. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Drop your feedback in the comment section and let me hear what you say. Alright, you know, we're in the middle of Harbour Tree. It's a Eastwood Park Road. And first thing first, I go up with a plaza. I don't even remember the plaza the name, but but they're not supposed to. I try to come straight across the road, but they're not supposed to come straight across the road. And taxi man a while ago. I think them say it's illegal to go across 3 lane of traffic. Yeah. What you doing, bro? Yeah, so yeah. I don't remember where that little plaza the name I actually want to go. But they're close to almost the 7th Avenue or so. But I don't remember the plaza name. But okay, so I'm going to turn right when we reach at the Red Hills Road intersection. Yeah. Maybe soon reach, or almost reach. Okay. The fruits lady. On the right, I saw sell her fruits something. Yeah, man. We find that nothing in Jamaica, you know. People set up a little shop and do their little thing. You see me? Even though it's $100 for one finger of banana, some place I might $150. But you know, people just do them thing, you know, in the morning. People are going to work or whatever them stuff, and you know, you want to get in your little vitamin them and your little them fruit, whatever. You know, you have to draw for your fruit. So some people might just stop and grab one banana and say, yeah, little potassium or one orange. As me say, orange probably about $2 bills a one, you know. You know, so yeah, I saw it set up. I saw it set up, man. Yeah. So you find that the fruit vendor them come out and such and them just do them thing, you know? Yeah. Man, I broke the stoplight. You must say light red. Them blind. Hold on, the red light no work over the lane there. What if the red light no work over the lane there? Yo, these serious people. Bad with traffic, you know? Yeah. But like I red now, so you know where you go. So we're gonna go back on Constant Spring Road and then we're gonna go left, turn in that parking lot. But you know, it is what it is. But the traffic now, so when the light turn red, the next part I know we are gonna cross in front of me, so I'm gonna be green. So it's kinda tedious. Yeah. Alright, uncle. That was a lady, people, a female driver. Like, me stop cause me want to change my lane and she make be a nice behind me, but I guess she late for work. But anyways, my people, big up on yourself, manners and respect. Thank you guys for journeying with me for that one, yeah. Well, yeah, I close this right. So I have something else to go right after I left us asleep, but catch you in our next video for that one. See it? Yeah, man. Thank you guys for journeying with me. You don't know, big up on yourself. Manners and respect. Enough love goes out, my people. You remember to comment, like, and share. Subscribe to the video, to the channel. You understand? Yeah, and become a member. That's where you get some little exclusive background thingy. You don't know where you go. You know we go. Yeah, so see? So yeah, my people. Should I park in the shade and make the car cool? You park here, so we don't have pressure with it. Yeah, alright. So yeah, my people. I need to park straight. And from what I park, be a lean me a park. But the line I look clean still now, yeah, I'm straight. Alright, my people. Yeah, we see you next time. But manners, how much that? Manners and respect, my people. Later, I'm out, alright? Lick a bit. Bless up.